Hey guys, it's me, Jackson, and today we will be doing fireworks. Shout out to my cousin, Andrew. And Caleb, he's the one doing the fireworks, if you're wondering.
There.
And watch this.
Yeah. I was lighting the stick.
Okay, so here we go. It's not good yet. It's not the good part yet.
Just say we'll be back with more later.
Yeah, we'll be back with more later.
Want another one?
Yeah, we'll be back.
Hold it out over.
No, it's not over yet.
I'm the one lighting them.
Yep. Him. Go watch his channel. What is it again? I keep forgetting.
Bellac0724.
Bellac 070.
And make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe. He told if you maybe you came from.
Subscribe to me.
Yeah, if you came from his channel because he told me he told you the come to my channel, then definitely subscribe to him.
There's a bunch of them, son.
Whoa, this is awesome.
There's Jackson.
Whoa.
Andrew, come over here and sit with us. We can't see. There you go. You're fine now.
Yeah, that's really cool. They're doing a second one. Oh, yay.
Ooh, look at that.
You get two to watch.
There you go. Right there. You're good. Right there.
I'm going to sit with Jackson.
Okay.
We got like, what, 4 more of those?
Yeah, come on. I know it's
Wee. Oh, that one that was lit first is about done. So, yep.
Yep, it's done.
Yep, it's done now. Oh, this one doing the poppers. Oh, now it's doing the pops. Yep, still doing the pops.
And we're also going to make a video on Thursday when we're going to Lake Winnie. It's going to be an awesome day.
Okay, you've already seen that one.
Because we're just...
I agree.
Caleb, wait, I'm not ready.
Light it. Oh, come on. We're bored with that. Light one.
Okay, I'll get a good video of these.
Run. Whoa, did you just hear that, guys? That was loud.
I can't hear anything now. I can barely hear anything. It's so loud.
That was loud, guys. Did you hear that?
I can barely hear anything. I can't even hear what I'm saying.
No, run! Run! Oh!
Oh, those are fun to watch. Oh, that one's still going. How?
I know.
It's green. It's green looking in real life, but on video it looks like regular. Now,
That's awesome.
look, he just lit a sparkler.
Let's to get this one on video.
Yeah,
It's just
it's just a sparkler, but
It's just the worst one.
this is the worst one.
Yeah.
it's not dark yet, so we can't
It's
start.
so little. It's so little, guys. It's the worst. It's like the worst one.
It's actually pretty fun to do.
Yeah,
'Cause
it's
they
fun to
look
do.
cool. And when the sparks hit your hand, you can't feel it.
I know. It just feels a little cold.
Whee! That's the...
Let's do another sparkler. Or a
Yeah.
big- Let's do another ground sparkler.
Yeah. Those things are awesome.
Can we do another ground sparkler?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do another ground sparkler.
He's doing another ground sparkler. Get out of the way. I'm gonna get close for this one. This one I want to get close for.
Don't get too close.
Got it. He's close to it. Oh, smoke's on my face.
Smoke.
These things make a lot of smoke. Look at all the smoke over there from the two bottle rockets.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll show you.
Red, white, and blue.
Oh, here's one.
What?
Whoa! Smoke's getting everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Red, white, and boom is the last one.
Yep, it's gonna be
And-
the best
Oh,
one.
yeah, maybe. I already got the fuse without a bomb.
Whoa!
I have an order on it.
Do you guys see all the smoke?
I know.
This is crazy.
You got a better view than me. You're in all the smoke. You get the better view. See,
And
look. Oh, now it's doing the pops.
the best part.
Yeah.
Just does that for not very long. What's your favorite? The beginning part, the pop part, or that super bright
I like
part?
the fire part. That's my favorite.
I like this part. It's
Yeah,
yellow.
what's your favorite? Put it in the comments below. What's gonna be your favorite firework? I'm not gonna spoil
Okay.
all the fireworks.
I'm
over
gonna tell.
there.
I'm gonna tell them.
Nah.
Okay. So we did sparklers. We did the There's that, and that. But we're doing another one of those.
If you've got a video going, you shouldn't be laying your camera down and running.
I didn't.
Me. Run! Oh!
He's going back to do another. Good. A real big shout out to Caleb. That's my cousin. Go to.
And a shout out to my sister.
Shout out to my cousin Caleb. He's from North Carolina. And he's from.
Get off now.
Why?
Can't be that long.
Nobody's gonna watch me.